I'll just share my screen. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Yesterday, where we have started class?
Command
Yesterday,
line argument we are discussed.
how to read a dynamic data is also completed. Okay.
Yeah, sir. Completely.
In today's topic, we are going to discuss. In today's topic, what I told we will discuss operators, right?
Operators.
Let me log into the machine. Basically, do you have any idea what do you mean by operators?
No, sir.
Operators, nothing but uh, 1 second. Operators. Yeah. See, in today's class, we are going to discuss about operators. Okay. There are like one is like arithmetic operators. Okay. Arithmetic operators. Second one is relational operators. Relational operators. Third one is logical operators. Logical operators. Next, fourth one is assignment operators. Okay. Assignment operators. Okay. These are the operators which we need to discuss. Arithmetic operators. What are the arithmetic operators? You know, less, minus, into addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and then modulus. These are the arithmetic operators. Okay. These operators returns. Okay. No. These are the arithmetic operators. And then coming to relational operators. Relational operators is greater than, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, not equal to. These are the relational operators. The relational operators returns Boolean value, like either true or false. It is going to return these values only. Okay, these are relational operators. Next one is logical operators. Okay, logical operators. Logical operators like hyphen A means logical and hyphen O means logical or, hyphen O means logical or, and then this exclamatory symbol means not. Okay, these are the logical operators. And then assignment operators is equal to is the assignment operators. Except assignment operator, for all operators we have to provide space before and after the operate. I mean like the after operator. Suppose if you are using a greater than, you should provide space before and after the operator. Okay, that thing we'll discuss once we run any script. Okay, next one is how to perform mathematical operations. How to perform mathematical operators. This is the concept. Next concept is this is the one. How to perform mathematical operators. If you want to perform mathematical operators, there are multiple ways. There are 4 keywords. By using those keywords, we can perform it. One is by using expr keyword. Okay. Next one is by using let keyword. Okay. Next one is by using double parenthesis. Okay. Next one is by using square brackets. These are the four ways how we can perform the mathematical operators. Okay. First, we'll see about how we can use exp command, expr keyword to perform mathematical operation. Okay. For that, what I will be doing is I will open a terminal, and then I will write a script to perform mathematical addition of two numbers. Okay. Let me go to the scripts. Okay. And then what is the last file we have created? Let me see. ls-ltr. What is the last file? B. Till B we have created. Now I'm going to create nano c.sh. Okay, tell me, we are going to write a addition of two numbers. Okay, in bash read -p, enter first number, enter first number, this is fine. And then come down here, num1 I'm going to give, read -p, enter second number. Okay, something like this, give num2. Okay, these two are fine. Now we need to perform mathematical operation. How we can do that? Using exp command, right? Expr command. Okay, first we need to do, how we can do that? Do you have any idea?
No, sir. No.
Why no? Already I have explained the command substitution, right? Suppose if I give dollar num1, okay, and then plus, okay, dollar num2, okay, this is a command substitution we are doing. This result we need to save it to certain variable, right? How we can do that? Using tick symbol. If you want to use tick
Backticks.
symbol, you can use a tick symbol. Okay, tick symbol is done. Now inside this tick symbol only we need to use expr. After expr we need to give space. Okay, this is fine. This entire result we need to save to any variable. Some I am going to give some variable like this. Okay, now this is how we are going to declare the syntax. So the sum is, you can say, or else the sum of dollar num1, sorry, num1 and dollar num2. You can give like this, and then we can give dollar sum. This is also going to work out. There is second way. This is the easiest way. Sum equal to command substitution. Just give the parenthesis here, then dollar num1 space plus space dollar num2. After that there is no space, but here we should use the keyword expr. Okay, expr keyword we should use, then space, this is fine, and then come down here, the same thing, echo the sum, echo double quotation, the sum is dollar sum. Okay, I will change here the variable. I'm going to give $1, and then even here also I'm going to give the $1 just to check, to differentiate that. Okay, now let me run this one, dash c.sh, enter first number 19, enter second number 18. The sum is perfect, it is working fine. Okay, this is how you use a expr command and then perform the mathematical operation. Okay, while using expr command, we have used expr keyword, right? If you are using expr command, dollar symbol is mandatory. Space must be required before and after the symbol. If you go to the file, here we are using the expr keyword, right? If you are using expr keyword, dollar symbol is mandatory, and then space between, space before and after the operator is mandatory. If here also we can, if you want, we can remove all those things and we can try it out. No, we are using expr command. We are using expr command, right? That is why space is required, everything is required. There is this is the node point. Okay, now let's move to the let keyword. Let keyword also I'm going to explain here itself. Read -p, enter first number, second number, and then come to the end here. Next one is simple thing. First we are going to give simple let keyword. We should just give me a minute. Let keyword we should give let, and then space sum, and then equal to num1 plus num2. This is simple like this. Here dollar is optional, but we should not provide space before and after plus. Then here to differentiate the things, I'm going to give here sum 3. I'm going to give here sum 3. Come down here, echo the sum is, and then dollar sum3. Okay, this is fine. Just save this file and run it again. Now I'm entering 77 and some random number. See, it is working fine. The last one is let. With the let we got it. Okay, that is how you are going to use a expr keyword, let keyword. Now in the same example, I am going to show you the double parenthesis here. Come down here. How we can do the double parenthesis? Double parenthesis very simple. Come down here. Sum. I'm going to declare variable as 4. Sum4 equal to dollar double parenthesis. Now go inside num1 plus num2. This is simple like this. And then come down here. Give the value as the sum. Simple. Everything is simple. The sum is colon dollar sum4. Okay, save it, run it again. Now I am going to enter random number. See, we are getting the last one is also working fine. Using the last one is using double parenthesis. The before one is using let keyword. The before one is using expr keyword.
expr.
What is the last one we have? Last one is here. Let me open the file. Here, while using the double parenthesis, the space and dollar symbol both are optional. There is no need to give the space, and then there is no need to give the dollar.
Dollar symbol.
Here, when you are using let keyword, dollar symbol is optional. You can give it, but we should not.
No need to use spacing.
We should not provide. Even if we can provide space here for dollar double parenthesis, it is going to work. But here, the space is not. We should not provide the space. When we are using expr command, dollar is mandatory, space is mandatory. Okay. Now last one. We are going to see the last.
Sir, in expr command, can we run with brackets, dollar with brackets without using a bracket symbol? Can we run that?
No.
No.
This where you are seeing this one, right? We have used the brackets only, right?
Okay.
We have used the brackets only, right here.
In sum equal to ex in first. Sir.
No, this is syntax. We cannot change it. If you are,
yeah, okay.
There are only two ways. You can use a tick symbol, or else you can use a double parenthesis or dollar parenthesis. We cannot mix it. You are going to get that is syntax. We cannot change the syntax.
Okay. Okay.
Next one is using square brackets. Sum equal to square brackets, and then simple num1 plus num2. Simple like that. This is very easy. And then come down here, echo the sum we can give like that. Echo. I'm not giving the sum, something like that. Sum is, and then dollar sum5. Okay. Here also space and dollar symbol both are optional. This is similar to parenthesis. Okay. Save this one. Now run it again. I'm giving 77, again 77. See, it is working fine. Oh, sum is no, it is not working fine for the last one. Let me see what is a mistake here. We forgot to give the dollar symbol here. Here we need to give the dollar symbol. Here we should give the dollar symbol. Then it is going to work fine. Perfect. It is going to work fine. If we give the dollar symbol, it is going to work fine. 77, it is working fine. See, a dollar symbol we need to give in the double brackets. There is no need to give the dollar symbol and parenthesis. Okay.
Okay.
Any questions in this syntax, or do you have any questions here? How to use expr keyword, how to use let keyword, how to use double parenthesis, how to use the square brackets. Do you have any questions?
in using a expr we can addition, subtraction, multiplication, any arithmetic operation we can.
Anything you can do, any arithmetic operations you can do. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, modulus, division, you can do these 5 operations. Okay, if you're not having any questions, okay, these 4 keywords are used only for the integral arithmetics, that is integer numbers only. If you want to perform floating point arithmetics, then we should use BC command. Okay, BC means
binary calculation.
Yes, BC means binary calculator. We can start the BC calculator by using BC. Just give BC and then enter. What it is saying, this is a free software. Okay, perfect, fine. And then just give BC. No, we should give the values 10.5 and then plus something. I'm giving 30.5. Just enter. We are going to get the values here. If you want to come out of the, you can perform multiplication, addition, subtraction, modulus, anything you can. If you want to come out of this one, you need to give Control D. Okay, this is about BC calculator if you want to perform any floating point operations. Okay,
sir, in calculator, in actual calculator,
we cannot
the result. A small doubt, sir. The result we assigning to the new one in this BC calculator. Can we assign that?
I didn't understand.
10 plus 20. Then it will gives a 30 results, sir. In that 30 result, can we add to another?
Yeah, you can add it, right? Simple. If you are 30 result you got, and then 30 plus you can add the values. If you, I will show one script as well for performing the floating point operations, nano, and then d.sh. You can do it anything. You can do anything. Win bash. Okay, come down here. Read -p. Enter first number. Okay, here I'm just giving A as the first number. Read -p. Enter and the second number. Colon space B. Okay, now we want to perform at the floating point operations, right? For that, what we can do? Sum. Okay, I am performing sum equal to, tell me, dollar parenthesis open and close echo dollar a space plus dollar b. Okay, and this result I need to give to BC. Okay, and then we can give echo the sum is something like that. Echo sum colon sum. Okay, if you want to perform any further multiplication, all those things you can do it. Okay, just save it. Now bash d.sh, enter. I'm giving 18 just to understand 20.5. Enter. Second number I'm giving 30.5. Okay, just enter. We're getting 51.5. It is working fine. That is how you can do. Okay, floating point operations. Yes.
With that result, can we add to the another one? Plus, can we able to add to another addition?
See that thing you need to remember the result as 31.0, and then you can add it to, if you want to, 70.5, 70.7. You can do it like that. You can do like this.
One not. My question is 101.7. Okay.
I understood your question. You mean to say that 101.7, I should, this result you want to add to another number, though that thing what I'm telling is there will be script. You need to develop that script, but At present, we don't have that script, right? That is why I'm telling, remember the result and then give the number as like this and then do it like that. Even if you want to do any addition also, even if you are using calculator, you will add two numbers, right? First you will add two numbers and then to that result. See, suppose I'm adding 56 plus 75, I'm adding, and then I will click okay. And then next what I will do, plus like that I will do,
Plus.
right? Like that you can do. You need to remember the result, and there will be a script. We don't have that script right now. We can develop a script for that as well.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Write a script to read two integer number and print the result. I think you can try it out. Just simple. There are four keywords how we can do that. Read hyphen p, enter a value, read hyphen p, enter b value, and then sum equal to, you can
Sum
try
equal
out
to
using expr
dot.
command, let command, and let keyword, expr keyword, double parenthesis, and then even you can use square brackets as well. Okay. Write a script to read four digit integer number and print the sum of the digits present in that number. Can you do this one?
Uh, 4-digit number. Then
Suppose my requirement is like this: 1 2 3 4. This is, I have entered 4-digit number. I need to get 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. What should be the value? 10. Like this. This is my requirement.
look,
Let's do it together. Nano e.sh bin bash. Let's come down here. Read hyphen p. Okay. Enter any four. Enter any 4-digit number. I'm giving 4-digit number variable as num. Okay. Now tell me the logic. Logic. I want the logic. Else, instead of giving num, I'll give just m. That should be fine. Okay. Simple logic. What I'm giving. First, I want to 4 digits are there. Understand the logic. 4 digits are there. In 4 digits, I want to get first one digit, later again another digit, later again another digit, later again another digit. I want to get a digit one by one like that. And then I need to assign this one digit. Suppose one digit is there, right? I will assign this one digit to one variable. Okay, suppose I will assign one digit to a variable. Simple like this. So like this, a equal to 1. Next, b equal to 2. Next, c equal to 3. Next, d equal to 4. I will assign like this. And then after assigning, I will perform mathematical operation like a plus b plus c plus d. Okay.
okay.
How we can get the first value? There is a command in Linux if you want to get the value. Okay, I'll explain. Echo. If I give echo $n, what we are going to get?
Echo dollar. Yeah,
Whatever the number you entered, you will
number
be
you
getting.
want. Yes, sir.
Okay. Space, the type symbol, and then cut hyphen c 1. If I do like this, what I will get?
iPhone. No, sir, I didn't.
Simple thing. We can see. I will just save this one and then run it. We will see what we are going to get. I'm entering 1 2 3 4. What we are getting?
First one. Okay.
1 we are getting. Like that, we can get one digit. Let me open the file again. Again, I'm going to give here echo $n space
Cut iPhone is second.
hyphen c 2. If I give 2, we are going to get the second one.
Second.
I'm going to give 2 3 4 5. Now see 2 3 we got. Like this, we can get the values. Now what I will do? I will open that file and then I want to declare the variable as well. For that, what I will say, a equal to dollar parenthesis here. The variable command substitution I'm doing here. For this one also, I'm going to do the same thing. Parenthesis This is b equal to. Now you understood how we have written this one. Now I'm going to write it like this: c equal to dollar parenthesis echo dollar n type symbol card hyphen c. What is the third character we want to get? Next, d equal to dollar echo dollar n symbol card hyphen c, the fourth one. Okay, this is fine. Now the last one, echo this sum. We need to get sum, right? How we can get this sum? Tell me. Echo
x.
The sum of 4 digits. Okay, tell me how we can get it. Dollar square brackets a plus b plus c plus d. This is it correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's save this one and then run it again. Let me enter 4, 3, 5, 6. What is the sum? 10, 18 we should get.
18.
It is working fine. Like this we can do it. If you want, you can check it for the remaining things also. Even you can use, if you don't want to use the square brackets, you can always use the other things. What is other things? Parentheses, double parentheses also you can use. The most preferred one is square brackets, because square brackets is easy to understand when compared with the. I am entering 6, 4, 10, 15. 15 plus 1, 16 we need to get. 16, it is working fine. Like that you can write the 4-digit sum. Okay. Okay. There is another script. I am going to give this script for as a homework. Write a script to read employee monthly salary and print his bonus. The bonus should be 25% of annual salary. Okay. Suppose I'll just explain the logic. If you want to, suppose how you can do is, first you need to calculate salary. Okay, enter monthly salary. Suppose his monthly salary is 100 rupees. Okay, annual salary, how you can calculate annual salary? Salary into 12. Okay, and then you can assign the variable, something variable as annual. Okay, something like this, annual, and then like this. Now you got the annual salary. Now what you need to calculate? Bonus you need to calculate. Bonus, how you can calculate?
1/4 of the annual.
Perfect. Annual bonus equal to annual salary, annual into 25 by 100 or 1/4. You can do like this, and then you are going to get the result. This is simple, very, very simple. Or try to do this, run this script. Okay. Any questions? I mean, like yesterday I have given some script for you, right? Did you work on that script? How to remove duplicate lines, and then how to remove duplicate lines present, and then another script. What is the thing? This is the only one I have given you, right?
Yes. Actually, yesterday itself, you told me that duplicate lines, echo dollar and hash, I think.
Do you want me to ask anything, or any questions do you have? I will give another 2 more minutes or 5 more minutes if you are having any. We didn't discuss the relational operators and the logical operators. Those things will come in the control statements when we are discussing the programs with the control statements. That time I will be explaining everything to you. How to use relational operators, how to use logical operators, how to use assignment operators, all those things. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow, when you will be, shall we connect at 3 p.m. tomorrow?
Yeah. Okay, sir.
3 p.m. we will connect at 3 p.m. and then tomorrow we'll complete if maybe we'll see how much, maybe if we can connect tomorrow at 2 p.m. No, 2 p.m. I have a call at 2 p.m. Maybe if we can
Evening,
connect at
evening time, are you free? 6
evening
or
time,
7?
my shift is going to begin at 1 p.m. to 11 p.m. That is right. Okay. We'll
Okay.
see how much we can complete. No pressure, nothing. We'll go slow manner only, slowly.
Okay, sir.
But we'll see how much we can complete the control statement. If is very big, maybe like if is in if only we have simple if else, ladder if, nested if. There are four. If only there are four things. Case is very simple. Case while loop is very simple. Until loop is until loop nobody is going to use until loop, and then for loop is also very big. For loop is big. After completing these things, Saturday and Sunday also will connect. My target is to complete Saturday and Sunday. If we at least complete if and if we complete 2 days, if we complete if, then remaining 2 days we can complete the remaining things like while, do, for loop, all those things. Maybe Monday or Tuesday we can start with arrays or something like that. We'll see. Maybe I'm thinking like maybe 19th we can complete the self scripting, and then maybe like we'll see what will happen. We are not sure about that, right? Any questions you have, or any doubts, anything you want to ask, any script, any
Relational
script?
operations and logical operations, we will be discussing in next classes.
We'll be discussing when we are writing the scripts in the if will be control statements we are going to use, right? That time, so at that time I will explain all those things with an example, so that it will be very clear for me.
And assignment operators.
Assignment operator is also simple. Assignment operator is nothing but if you want to assign certain value, a space equal to 10, that is assignment operator. That's it. I will explain the difference also. What is the difference between assignment operator and comparison also.
Okay.
Any further questions? Any question? Maybe I think we can complete 100%. We can complete by 19th the shell scripting.
Okay, sir. Can you stop the recording, sir? And then we discuss.